Good day, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to discuss about translation of verbal statements to mathematical symbols using multiplication and division. Actually, this is a continuation to my last uploaded video. If you have not watched it yet, just click the link given below. The following are some clues that are very useful when translating verbal statements to mathematical symbols, like product, times, multiply, twice, double, thrice, triple, of, or half of. These terms bring the process of multiplication. Here, product means the result obtained after we multiply the numbers. Then twice or double means multiplication of 2. For thrice or triple means we multiply it by 3. Then for half of means we multiply it by 1/2. Another we have here divided by, quotient of, or ratio. Now these terms here bring the process of division. Now let us try to consider some examples here. First, we have here 2/3 of a number. So 2/3 we have 2/3. Then for of, we mean we multiply it to a number x. So we have 2/3 times a number x, or we can write this one as 2/3 x. Next, 2 times y is simply 2 times y. By the way, this dot here means we multiply 2 and y. We can use this symbol for our multiplication or this symbol. Or we can simply write it as 2y for 2 times y. Another is the product of a and b. Note that the product means the result when we multiply a and b. Therefore, this is a times b. Or simply, we can write it as ab for a times b. Next is the quotient of a and b. So this is the result when we divide two numbers. So quotient means we divide, so a divided by b, or we can simply write it as a over b. Our next example is a number y is divided by 2. So we have here a number y, and is divided by means we divide it by 2. So we have this symbol, or we can write it as y over 2. Another is thrice a number n is divided by the product of a and b. So let's have this first. Thrice a number n. So it means a number n is multiplied by 3. So we have 3 times n. And this divided by, we have this symbol. Then the product of a and b, we have a times b. For this, the product, we're done with this a while ago. So we can rewrite this one as 3n for 3 times n divided by, we have here over, then the product of a and b. It's activity time. Answer each item as fast as we can. So we let x be the number. First one, 1/3 of a number x is 10. The answer is, we have 1/3 times x is equal to 10. So 1/3 is this one. Then of means we multiply it. And then a number x, we have this one is, it means equal to 10. So we have 1/3 of x is 10. Next, the product of 16 and the number is 48. The answer is 16 times x is equal to 48. So when we say product, we multiply the two numbers, 16, and a number, we let it as x, is equal to 48. Next, the ratio of a number x and 10 is 3. The answer is x over 10 is equal to 3. For the ratio, we mean we are to divide x and 10. So we have here x divided by 10 is equal to 3, or we can write this simple as x over 10. The number 4, the sum of twice the number and 10 is 1/2 of a number. The answer is 2x plus 10 is equal to 1/2 times x. So take note here for the phrase sum, we mean we add the numbers. So twice the number, x, it means we multiply 2 to the number x. And then we add it to 10 because we are to find the sum. We are to write the sum of two numbers. So plus, then 10. We have your is, means equality. Then 1/2 of a number is 1/2 of a number x. For of, we multiply it by x. That's why we have here 2x. We can rewrite this one as 2x plus 10 equals 1/2 x. So that's it. Thank you for watching till the end of this video. If you want to watch more videos from our channel, please subscribe and click the notification bell to be updated for our latest video. Sharing this video to others means showing your care for them to learn math. God bless everyone. Do not forget to spread the love and care.